Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a logo in Power BI Desktop. First, open your report in Power BI Desktop. Make sure you are on the report page where you want the logo to appear. If you have multiple pages, you will need to repeat these steps on each page where the logo is needed. Next, go to the top of the screen and look at the ribbon menu. Click on the Insert tab. This tab allows you to add different elements to your report, such as text boxes, shapes, and images. In the Insert tab, find the option called Image in the Elements group. Click on Image. A file browser window will open on your computer. Now, browse to the location where your logo file is saved. Power BI supports common image formats such as PNG, JPG, and JPEG. Select your logo file and click Open. The logo will now appear on your report canvas. It may appear in the center of the page by default. Click on the image, then drag it to the position you prefer, for example the top left or top right corner of the report. To resize the logo, click on one of the corner handles and drag inward or outward. If needed, you can also use the Format pane to fine-tune the size and position. Your logo is now added to the report. Thanks for watching.